So here today we have the Honor 8X. I had a lot of people request this unboxing and reviewing of this smartphone. Here it is. This has the Kirin 710 octa-core processor. This has 6 gigs of RAM and 64 gigabytes of storage. This costs around about £230 off of Amazon, and you can go on Gearbest as well and get it for a similar sort of price as well. Let's unbox it. Okay, so the phone is sitting at the top. Put that to one side. Let's get all this stuff over with. So we get a case with this. Silicon case. Looks like manuals in there and a SIM ejector tool. And what looks to be a standard charging block. A Huawei. And a micro USB cable. So it isn't USB type C, which some people might not like. Here we go, the Honor 8X. All right, let's have a look at all these stickers. So the sticker on there, you can see 6.5 inch full view display, 91% screen to body ratio. This is the 4 gigabyte of RAM version, not the 6. I did say 6, but on the box it does say 4 gigabytes of RAM, 64 or 128. AI dual camera, 20 megapixel, 16 megapixel selfie camera, 3750 milliamp battery, and there the 710 Kirin chipset, enhanced by GPU turbo. So let's peel this off. Sweet. There is a screen protector on there, which I'm going to remove. If I can remove it. Okay. Looking nice. Let's go around the back. And we have... looks like it's dual SIM as well. Dual nano SIM and micro SD card at once. So this is the black variant. That looks sexy, that does. Very, very smart. I believe it's a glass back. I'm not too sure, I've only just got it today. Not done too much research, but I believe that is glass. There's the fingerprint sensor, the dual rear cameras, flashlight. I like that, it's so nice. So a metal frame. You have the SIM tray there, which is dual nano and micro SD card. Micro USB port, haven't said that in a while. 3.5mm headphone socket, and speaker there as well. Along the side, power and volume rocker up and down. Along the top, a tiny little hole for the microphone for the front-facing camera. Ah, let's turn it on then. Ooh, that's nice. Very nice. Okay, let me go ahead and quickly set this up. Okay, here it is, and what a gorgeous device. Very, very nice. So on setting it up, I've set the fingerprint sensor and I've set the Face ID. It's not 3D Face ID. Let's have a look. Recognizing face, slide to open. Let's go to settings. I believe you can change that just like on the Mate 20 Pro. Face unlock. Yep, direct unlock as soon as it detects my face. Okay. Immediately. I don't want to crap. What's that? Yeah, very, very fast. Cool. Let's try the fingerprint. Yeah. Yeah, good. I think the Face ID is slightly quicker, but with it not being 3D Face ID, then it's slightly less secure than the fingerprint, I'd say. So here we have it. Let's take you through system, about phone. It is running on Android 8.1. It's Emui as well. Just confirming some of the specs. 2340 by 1080p, 64 gigabytes of storage with 52 gig free. Cool. No app drawer, so you get all the apps on here. Cool. This is a beautiful device. Pixel 2 and Honor 8X. This is a 6.5 inch device as well, and it's not much bigger than the Pixel 2. Viewing angles are pretty decent as well. Wonderful. Let's have a look at this camera because it has AI mode. GPS tag. Oh, okay, that's fine. Now there's some flickering in here, unfortunately, because of the lighting in here. Okay, so it looks pretty much very similar to the Mate 20 Pro. More video, photo, portrait, night. Has aperture mode as well. Yeah, very, very similar. And at the top there, you have the AI mode, so you can turn that on. AI photography enabled. Let's keep that on. Let's take a shot of the Honor 8X. Let's tap it. Okay, let's put it in portrait mode. See how it handles that. That is pretty impressive. Very, very impressed with the quality of that. £230 smartphone. Switch to video mode. What video modes do we get? It can shoot up to 1080p at 60 frames per second. Cool. Let's keep it standard 1080p. Not sure if there's any stabilization. Let's have a go. Okay, so on the Honor 8X, video mode at 1080p, testing the audio quality as well. Just touch that to focus a little better. There is some flickering in here, that's coming from the artificial lighting up there. It's not actually on the camera, but looks nice. Pan round. Cool, let me know what you guys think. Switch to front-facing camera. Front-facing camera right there. 720p. Let's do 1080p video on the front-facing camera. And go. Okay, front-facing camera on the Honor 8X. Let's take a closer look at my camera here and the microphone. And then my face. Doesn't look too bad. Audio quality as well. Obviously I can't hear what the audio is like at the moment, but testing that. So look at that light, direct to that light, then back. Cool. Normal photo mode on the Honor 8X. What's that? Well, you can choose the mirror on or mirror off. Let's have the mirror on. Portrait mode. Let's have a look. Something in the background just to test. Here we go. Yeah, it's not too bad. Edge detection could be a little bit better, but for the price of the phone, it's pretty good. Let's have a look at YouTube. Okay, so we have some 1080p footage with a 1080p display. It's pretty nice. It's vibrant. Some great detail as well. It fills the phone pretty much when you have the relatively small bezel there at the bottom, the chin. Quite thin, narrow bezels there. Very nice. A quick speaker test. It's not dual speaker. We have the speaker down there at the bottom. good volume, so that fills the room. Not bad quality either. You can just about cover it up. That's good. That is a good loudspeaker. Choose a different wallpaper. Let's go there. Okay. So you can see the bezels a little bit more now. Obviously, with the darker wallpaper, the bezels look a lot better. It just blends into the edges. So you get a better look on what the notch looks like and the bezels. Pretty sure we should be able to hide the notch. Yep. So again, if you don't like the notch, hide it. I love the notch, so I'm going to keep it right there. Now another bonus, has NFC. So if you're one of the people who use your phone to make payments, car payments with NFC, it has that. £230 smartphone. Now at the moment the camera looks quite impressive for the price. Very, very good. The Emui, same sort of look as the Mate 20 Pro. Similar camera options as well. Obviously it won't be as good as the Mate 20 Pro, but it's got the AI in there, which I suppose it didn't really test properly, because the AI on the Mate 20 Pro could change to like text. It would notice when text was there. It would actually say text. Oh, there we go. Look at the bottom. You might have just missed that. It just flashed up as text. So that's pretty cool. It hasn't got macro mode though, unfortunately. But yeah, interesting to see how the AI works on the smartphone. It definitely worked there. I'm going to download some games, high intensive games, PUBG and Fortnite and all that jazz. Device info. I want to have a look. There we go. It's rocking the Mali G51. Not many people like the Mali. They prefer the Adreno, but it'd be good to see how this performs with Fortnite and PUBG. In fact, thinking about it, does Fortnite work on the Honor 8X? Let's have a look. Okay, preparing. It's going to download it, which it would do on any device anyway. It's not until you've, I think, downloaded it and tried to install it that will tell you that it's not compatible. So you have to wait a minute. Okay, so it's downloaded. I've just got the security warning saying it's not allowed to install apps. Let's go back. It's definitely doing something. App installed. Open. So that's it. That was the quick unboxing and a quick look at the Honor 8X. £230 smartphone with some very decent specs and what looks to be a very, very good camera, Face ID, fingerprint sensor, narrow bezels, beautiful rear, which does pick up some fingerprints. Really, I love that. Really nice display as well. Super fast Face ID unlock. Very, very promising, and it looks as if Fortnite's going to work as well. So any questions, guys, please comment below. I will do a gaming video, although I'm shit or not very good at gaming, to show you how the phone performs. But until next time, see you very soon. Bye bye.